All right, guys, we're going to go over the top penny stocks to buy for 100% return. We're going to start with good old-fashioned REKR, Rekor Systems. So Rekor Systems is a penny stock under $1, and if we zoom out on the chart, you can see it loves to come down to 70s to 60 cents, then gets a nice big rally to $2.50. Here it got a nice rally to $1.71, then consolidated before going to a high of $3.47. Again, you see the pattern, right? Holy crap, does this thing like to go sideways? It loves to come down to 60, 70 cents, 50 cents here in this case, and then get a huge run. This has been happening time and again. So, again, a penny stock is where you can really make a lot of money. You can grow your account quicker. It comes with the risk of, yes, it can tank like 50, 80% and you get destroyed. That is the downside, but that's why they're called penny stocks. They're very risky, but man, when they get those huge pumps, a lot of money is made and fast. So keep an eye on this one for some support at around 60 cents is what I'm waiting for. We did buy this one, but I set a stop loss, right? Because these are penny stocks, we got to set a stop loss. We took a small nothing loss, 1 cent loss, because I had it too tight of a stop loss. But anyways, if you didn't set a huge stop loss, a tiny little, if you didn't set such a tight stop loss, you made money on this, right? Because I learned it at around 90s, so it did move from 90s right here, yeah. It moved 21% about. So all because I was setting too tight of a stop, I got stopped out, missed it on 20%. Oh well, but that doesn't change that this is a huge opportunity anytime it comes down. So look for some support coming up at around 70 cents. I will alert when the time comes if you are in the Discord, patreon.com/shadesandtrades. Now, the other one, another super risky penny stock. These are all risky. Do not expect things to be easy here. These are dangerous. You can make quite a bit, right? Cyberlux went from 0009s to, let's see, nobody wanted it down there, oh no, and then it moved 239% on a whim because there was no news, no catalyst. They have not communicated in a long time, but just on the defense, just on the war happening, that was enough to send it. So just imagine what's going to happen when a catalyst comes in. Whew, right? So great example. If this comes down to 0009, 0011s, this, you don't hesitate. You look at this and you zoom out, you're going to notice that a lot of these penny stocks that I'm talking about, they have a pattern of holding a bottom and they've just been going sideways for a long time. So the same thing, right? Every time it comes down here to 0009, 0011s, hell of an opportunity. Always gets a nice pump, whether it's just 200% or 800% or 1,300%. These are penny stocks. Again, this is how you can grow your account quickly. It comes with risk. I mean, that's just how it is. You want big bucks, you want fast money, you got to be willing to take the risk. So 0009, 0011s for Sybil. And finally, AITXD. This one's back in play. It did sell off. No one should be surprised by this. I was telling you guys, hey, either this goes to 20 cents or this is going to sell off here, right? It's going to sell off and it's going to come down and there's going to be opportunity to make money on the way back down. It is trying to find some support here at the purple line. But ultimately, we should just sit back and wait and see where it's going to find a bottom. Anytime AITX, AITXD, whatever you want to call it, anytime this has found a bottom, it's just like Sybil. It's just like Rekor. It just keeps pumping off that bottom. And it makes it very easy to make money. If you guys recall, who've been following this channel for a long time, we took advantage of this trading range here when it was just coming down here, bouncing, coming down here, getting a big pump and pump and pump and pump. So we took advantage of that, right? It just kept coming down to that very clear and obvious bottom. And we just kept buying and it just kept pumping and we just kept making lots of money. You're going to notice a lot of these penny stocks, as risky as they may be, they show us some very easy to abuse patterns. So another stock to look for. Again, I'm not going to go over sell targets right now. There's nothing to sell. We need to wait for all three of these penny stocks to come on down cheaper, right? We need them to come down to support first before we start buying. Again, very risky, but a lot of opportunity to make once the bottom is in on these. Richtech Robotics is another very risky penny stock. This is probably this is actually, believe it or not, this is riskier than the other three combined because they did lie about that partnership with Microsoft and they've been taking since then. But we are coming up on a big support level. Let's go to the weekly time frame so you can see, yeah, very clearly we've been tanking. but we do have support coming up at around $1.80 to $2. So look out below. This one should, technically speaking, see, let me zoom in here, should come down to like 176 to 180. Look for support around there and look to play the bounce, because from 170, 180 and the move just back to $2.20 or even $2.50 is about 28 to 40%. So there's a potential bounce opportunity there. So this one's one of the riskiest because, again, they did lie. So just look out, be careful. I would set a stop loss below 1.70, 1.69, somewhere around there. Again, when the time comes, I will let you know, but I'm probably not going to buy Richtech Robotics. I'll probably end up buying more Sybil or AITX or Rekor. We'll see which one comes down first and how I like the setup more than anything. So there you go. That's another penny stock to keep an eye on. Again, that one is also very risky. One of the riskiest ones out there. So just be very careful. If you had to pick one out of the list, I would say the good old reliable would be Sybil, followed by Rekor, and then AITX. And then dead last would be Rekor stock. I think that's kind of like how I would rank them, because some are just going to be riskier than others. And I think that is it. Wait, no. Was there another one? I think I said 5, right? No, this one broke down. Sorry, guys. It's only 4 penny stocks. I was going to talk about QSI because it was in a nice little trading range here, right? It would come down to bottom, pump, bottom, pump, bottom, pump. But it broke down. So I can't, yeah. So there's nothing to talk about here. There's no 5th one. It's only 4. Look out below for those clear support levels. The easy but risky, but best way to grow your account is by trading penny stocks. Again, it's not for you if you're going to not be able to deal with the pain. And we'll see. Again, the safest one would be, I know that sounds crazy to say, but the safest one would be Sybil. That's what's funny. That would be the safest one to trade, followed by Rekor and then AITX. All right, guys, I'll leave it at that. Short, quick, to the point.